vacancy. No vacancy. Hurry! This is a fine how do you do. Where do they expect us floaters to live anyway?
My friend, in this little package is the answer to all your problems.
Okay, wise guy. What's the answer?
Now, as I was about to say, step a little closer, son. These priceless little beans have been gathered from the mystic shores of the Caribbean. Why, my boy, these are magic beans.
Magic beans?
These are not the ordinary type of cooking beans.
I don't want any beans. I want a...
Look, my friend, all you have to say are the magic words, abracadabra, presto, changeo, alley-oop.
Well, what do you know? Okay, pal, slip me the beans. Abracadabra, presto, changeo, alley-up. 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 Magic beans. Hooray!
I smell.
You said it, brother. And how?